So today in the topic of type of vectors, we will discuss about position vector. So the position vector of a point is usually expressed by the symbol r vector. The position vector of a point is defined as a point drawn from the origin to the given point. Suppose we have any point P in the space, then the position vector of this point P will be a vector drawn from origin O to this point P. So in this figure, the vector OP vector, which is represented by small r vector, will be the position vector of point P. Thus position vector of point P is OP vector and it is also represented by r vector. Let us take an example and we find the position vector of any point P in the xy plane whose coordinates are 4 and 3. Since the coordinates of the point are 4 and 3, so if we start from origin and we want to reach at the point P in the xy plane, we have to move 4 units along x-axis, then we have to turn toward y-axis, and then we have to move 3 units along y-axis. In this way, we will reach from the origin to the point P by traveling only along x-axis and y-axis. This is shown here. So start from O, go up to this point. Suppose this point is M, then at point M the distance traveled along x-axis is 4 units. Take a perpendicular turn and then from M move to point P by traveling a distance of 3 units parallel to y-axis. So this is how you will reach point P. Now draw a vector from origin to this point, which is shown by the green arrow here, and this vector will be the position vector of point P. We know that a vector has magnitude as well as direction, and we also know that the magnitude of a vector is represented by the length of the vector. So in order to find the magnitude of this position vector OP, we have to find the length OP and the direction will be given by this angle theta. Since triangle OMP is a right angled triangle, therefore we can apply Pythagoras theorem to find the length OP. So after applying Pythagoras theorem, we can see that the length OP will be 5 units. In order to find the direction of the position vector with respect to x-axis, we will use expression for tan theta, and from the figure we can see that tan theta is equal to 3 upon 4, which on solving gives us the value of theta to be 36.87 degree. Hence we have found the position vector of the point P. Its length is 5 units and its direction is at 36.87 degree with respect to x-axis. Please note that the position vector is always directed away from the origin. So therefore, if the point is P in the space, the position vector will be represented by OP vector. But if we draw a vector from P to A, it will not be the position vector of point P. Thank you.